Let's talk about ribbon embroidery. Imagine your fabric coming to life as we explore the technique that adds a pop of three-dimensional allure to any project. Whether you're looking to craft stunning floral motifs or you're aiming to add a touch of ornamental flair, ribbon embroidery is your ticket to elevated artistry. With a simple weave and twist, watch as lush petals and intricate details begin to rise from their flat confines, creating an enchanting effect that's sure to dazzle. This isn't just stitching, this is sculpting with silk and satin. So thread that needle with your favorite ribbon and transform your embroidery from simply beautiful to beautifully dimensional. Keep on creating and let those designs blossom. If you would like more embroidery tips, then please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.